The wild doesn't wait, it grows, it spreads, it resists. Meet the Yeoman YM800, hybrid-powered, heavy-built, born for the fight. Its track drive system bites into mud, climbs slopes and pushes through thick brush. Every inch forward is victory. A steel-armored body shields against rocks, branches, and flying debris. No fear, no retreat. Zero-turn agility means you own every corner, slashing through tight spaces with precision. It works for hours without pause. Adjustable cutting height, relentless torque. No babysitting, no compromise. This isn't just a mower. It's a force of nature on your side. YM800, conquer the untamed.